What's up, honeys? It's Honest, and I'm back with yet another late video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone that you live and those that you want to express more of your love to. And if you are returning to me, hello, hi, honey, welcome back. Don't forget to comment, share this video.
I know you want me. Every day not only when you're lonely, yeah. You see you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me, yeah. You see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. You see my lips always to make you switch sides.
So guys, today is the 5th of April and is the day we are going for the camp. It's quite gloomy today, so I have my jersey. We're going to the camp. It's currently, I think it's 20 to 7 right now, 20 to 8. So I have to go and buy my snacks at 8 cake and then be on my way to Sunnyside campus, Unisa Sunnyside campus, because the ones that are in Florida, they're gonna move, I think, from Florida around 8. So we're gonna move from Sunnyside campus to the center at around 9. So I must get going and make sure that I don't waste time at 8 cake. So that's fine. Hi guys, I'm still alive. We stopped at a garage. I want to go to the bathroom and also get something to drink, because everything that I want to drink is in the bag, and I don't want to ask them to open that thing. So yeah, let's go to the toilets. I'm done buying what I wanted to buy. My camera is ashy. I'm done buying what I wanted to buy. It's all in here. I'm going to the bus, and I think the bus is closed. They said we should get recess, and I'm not recessing. I want to sit down because baby girl is tired. People went to order food, and I'm not one to order food. So yeah, here's up. How cute is it? It is, right? I know. Something about is that I like it, but something about it that is it's hard and I did take away that. I can sit there with that. My dad and mom when I first visited my mom and my siblings, my aunt and my sister. In that music, I was like, this is such a place. And that's great. But I don't have anymore. I think I have to get the throw us off the cliff. How bad? Just. Away, away, babo. Ayo, just so nampak. Es. Marah. Away, babo. We are finally here! We are here, guys. After 10 decades of traveling, we are finally here. I am so excited! Let's go! Let's go! Hi, y'all. So we are finally here. You can. Yes, it's a vlog. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. As long as you don't appear. So we are finally here. This place is so beautiful, guys. It's too beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful because the showers, they have showers and they're very spacious. The bunk beds, beautiful. I'll do a proper tour, I think tomorrow in the morning, because now it's a bit dark. You guys won't see it, but we are finally at La Palala Wilderness School. I need the bathroom. Bye, guys. I didn't do the outro for this video, but first arrival at La Palala Wilderness School was very nice. I met my dorm mates. They were very kind, very talkative, you know, easily to communicate with. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. There are, I think, 5 more videos coming up after this, so stay tuned, stay alert, and more is coming. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on IG and TikTok at HONEYFROMEARTH. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I mean, just do it, because there is more installed for becoming a nature conservationist. Bye, guys. See you on the next one.